Are you struggling to find the perfect Cooler Master PC case? With so many options, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. We've tested numerous cases and narrowed it down to the top 5 best Cooler Master PC cases. In this video, we'll dive into their key features and what you need to consider to pick the best one for your needs. Whether you're looking for superior airflow, sleek design, or budget-friendly options, our list has the very best. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L. The Cooler Master Q300L mini tower case is a versatile and compact option designed for gaming enthusiasts. It is compatible with micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, making it a flexible choice for various builds. The case comes in a sleek black color and is constructed from durable alloy steel and plastic, which ensures a modern look and longevity. One of the unique features of the Q300L is its magnetic dust filters. These filters not only help in maintaining a clean interior by preventing dust accumulation, but also add a distinctive appearance to the case. The case supports a range of components, including CPU coolers up to 159 millimeters in height, GPU cards up to 360 millimeters in length, and power supplies up to 160 millimeters, providing ample space for high-performance hardware. This PC case excels in cooling performance with a 240 millimeter liquid cooler and up to 5 fans. Its open thermal design ensures optimal airflow and heat dissipation. The modular I/O panel can be positioned flexibly at the front, top, or bottom, enhancing accessibility. Additionally, the edge-to-edge transparent side panel allows users to proudly display their build. Internally, this PC case offers ample space for components, making it user-friendly and allowing for easy future expansions. The case weighs approximately 1.06 pounds, 480 grams, and has dimensions of 15.39 by 9.06 by 15 inches, providing a compact yet spacious environment for various gaming setups. Overall, the Cooler Master Q300L is a durable, flexible, and aesthetically pleasing choice for gaming enthusiasts, offering excellent cooling, ample space, and customizable features for various builds. Number 4. Cooler Master MasterBox NR600. The Cooler Master NR600 full tower case combines sleek design with robust functionality, catering to both gaming enthusiasts and business users alike. Its minimalist mesh front panel and ventilated top panel are specifically engineered to optimize thermal performance, ensuring efficient cooling during intensive tasks such as gaming or prolonged business use. This emphasis on airflow management makes the NR600 a reliable choice for those seeking reliable thermal efficiency. The NR600's flush tempered glass side panel enhances elegance and provides clear internal views. Secured with rear thumb screws, it ensures a seamless, unobstructed surface for easy maintenance and upgrades. In terms of hardware compatibility, this PC case supports graphics cards up to 410 millimeters in length, providing ample room for the latest and most powerful GPUs. Users have the flexibility to choose between configurations with or without an optical disk drive (ODD), allowing for a cleaner appearance and additional cooling options on the top and front panels as per their preference. Practicality meets convenience with the NR600's thoughtful cable management system, featuring high-quality rubber grommets and generous clearance behind the motherboard. This design ensures tidy cable routing, promoting better airflow and ease of assembly during the build process. For connectivity, the case includes 2 USB 2.0 ports and a single 4-pole headset jack that supports both audio and microphone capabilities simultaneously. This consolidated jack eliminates the need for separate audio and microphone ports, streamlining the user experience. Overall, the Cooler Master NR600 stands out as a versatile full tower case that prioritizes efficient cooling, aesthetic appeal, and user-friendly features. Number 3. Cooler Master MasterBox TD500. The Cooler Master TD500 is a versatile and stylish option designed to accommodate ATX motherboards. Built from steel, plastic, tempered glass, and mesh, this case strikes a balance between durability and aesthetics. The polygonal mesh front panel not only adds a unique three-dimensional design, but also enhances airflow while filtering dust. One of the standout features is the crystalline tempered glass side panel, which is precision engineered for both strength and visual appeal. The case includes 3 addressable RGB fans that provide ample airflow and customizable lighting to enhance the overall look of the build. For cooling enthusiasts, the TD500 mesh supports up to 2 360mm radiators on the top and front panels, ensuring efficient cooling for high-performance systems. Additionally, it can accommodate up to 7 120mm fans, offering flexibility for various cooling configurations and liquid cooling setups on the front, top, and rear panels. The case measures 22.52 by 11.42 by 22.44 inches and weighs 15.29 pounds, making it a reasonably sized and manageable option for most users. The power supply mounts at the bottom, contributing to better cable management and airflow within the case. In summary, the Cooler Master TD500 is a solid choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for a blend of performance, style, and cooling capability. Its comprehensive support for various cooling solutions and the inclusion of ARGB fans make it a competitive option in the mid-tower case market. Number 2. Cooler Master CMP520L. The Cooler Master CMP520L is designed to cater to gaming enthusiasts and those seeking a high-performance, upgrade-friendly chassis. With its versatile cooling options, the case can accommodate up to 6 fans, ensuring optimal airflow. Additionally, it supports water cooling solutions with mounts available at the front, top, and rear, allowing users to maintain peak system performance without compromising on cooling efficiency. Aesthetically, this PC case features a full black shell that provides a sleek and uniform look, making it an attractive addition to any gaming setup. The all-black design is complemented by a power supply, PSU cover, that not only hides cables for a cleaner appearance, but also features a vented design. This breathable PSU protector supports both active and passive cooled power supplies, and it can be installed in various orientations, adding to the case's flexibility. The Cooler Master CMP520L offers ample upgrade space, supporting 13.75-inch graphics cards, a 161mm CPU cooler, and multiple fan or water cooler locations, ensuring compatibility with new components. Constructed from a combination of tempered glass, alloy steel, and plastic, this midi-tower case is both durable and stylish. It weighs 14.61 pounds and measures 19.69 by 19.69 by 11.02 inches, making it a robust and substantial case that can house high-end components securely. Additionally, the case includes a dust filter, which helps maintain cleanliness and prolongs the lifespan of internal components by preventing dust buildup. In summary, the Cooler Master CMP520L combines high-performance cooling, ample upgrade space, and sleek aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for gaming enthusiasts and those seeking a durable, stylish chassis. Number 1. Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO. The Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO is renowned for its gaming-centric design and durable build quality. Specifically engineered to accommodate extended ATX motherboards, this case is tailored for high-performance gaming rigs. Its exterior features a sleek black metal finish, embodying a blend of aesthetic appeal and robust construction. Cooler Master has equipped the HAF 700 EVO with extensive cooling capabilities, relying on an efficient air cooling method. This ensures optimal thermal management, crucial for sustained gaming sessions and high-demand applications. The inclusion of ARGB lighting further enhances customization possibilities, allowing users to personalize their setup according to their preferences. In terms of usability, the case incorporates a bottom-mount power supply design, which aids in maintaining clean and organized cable management. This feature is complemented by a front panel that boasts a convenient array of connectivity options, including 2 USB 2.0 ports and 4 USB 3.0 ports. Such connectivity versatility ensures seamless integration with various peripherals and accessories essential for modern gaming setups. Cooler Master emphasizes that this case represents the pinnacle of their HAF legacy, having been refined and developed continuously over more than a decade. Overall, the Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO stands as a testament to Cooler Master's dedication to innovation and quality in the gaming hardware industry, offering a compelling choice for those seeking a reliable, feature-rich solution for their gaming PC builds. Cooler Master offers a diverse range of PC cases designed to meet the needs of every gamer and PC enthusiast. From the compact and versatile Q300L to the robust and feature-rich HAF 700 EVO, each case combines durability, cooling efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you prioritize space-saving designs, extensive cooling options, or sleek aesthetics, Cooler Master's lineup ensures there's a case to suit your preferences. These cases not only facilitate seamless builds and upgrades, but also enhance the overall gaming experience with their thoughtful features and robust construction. Cooler Master continues to innovate, delivering solutions that cater to the evolving demands of modern PC gaming.